welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very short but effective HIIT workout for you, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and I'm going to be doing the exercises with a resistance band. Now this is a light resistance band. You can do a higher resistance if you're feeling up for it, but I chose a light one for this workout, and this is actually from my own company called Body Rebel. You can shop them on Amazon down below. I will put the link down there. I would love your support. But you can also do this workout without a resistance band. So either way, I liked adding the resistance band because I felt like it gave it a little bit more of a challenge. But again, even without it, it is still very much so a challenge, and you will definitely sweat a lot regardless of whether you use it or you don't. The way that this workout is set up is that we're gonna go through 2 rounds of 6 exercises that we'll do for 30 seconds on and 20 seconds off. So during that 30 seconds, I want you to go as hard and as fast as you possibly can, but also make sure to be mindful of your form as well. And if you can't have proper form while going really fast, just go a little bit slower pace. You don't want to injure yourself, so that's the most important thing. After the first round, we will have a 1-minute break, and then we will get started on that second round. Again, during that 1-minute break, grab your water, really calm down your breath, and just have fun with this workout. You can put on your own music if you'd like. And lastly, as always, I show a beginner or a modified no jumping version of every HIIT exercise that I show. So if you live in an apartment or you just want to do a modified exercise for one of the rounds, feel free to swap it out for the one I show on the screen. If you like this workout, I would really appreciate a thumbs up since it does help, and it's a really easy way to support my channel. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so that you get alerted of my future workouts.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
but baby, you're not. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so fake. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so fake. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna